Hey everyone, if you're looking to give your YouTube channel a serious boost, you're in the right place. Today, I'm sharing 10 essential tips to help you crack the YouTube algorithm. Let's dive right in. First up, create high-quality content. Focus on making your videos engaging, informative, and entertaining. Quality content gets watched, shared, and recommended more often. Next, optimize your video titles and thumbnails. Use clear, descriptive titles that include relevant keywords. And don't forget eye-catching thumbnails. They're the first thing viewers see. Tip number 3. Use relevant tags and descriptions. Include keywords in your tags and descriptions to help the algorithm understand your content and improve your discoverability. Fourth, encourage viewer engagement. Ask your viewers to like, comment, and subscribe. Higher engagement means the algorithm sees your content as valuable, leading to more promotion. Focus on watch time. Make videos that keep viewers hooked until the end. Longer watch times signal to the algorithm that your content is engaging, which can boost your rankings. Post consistently. Having a regular upload schedule keeps your audience engaged and coming back for more. Consistency is key to building a loyal viewer base. Utilize playlists. Organize your videos into playlists to encourage binge watching. This increases watch time and keeps viewers on your channel longer. Leverage end screens and cards. Use these tools to promote other videos on your channel, encouraging viewers to continue watching your content. Engage with your audience, respond to comments, and interact with your community. Building a relationship with your audience leads to increased loyalty and engagement. Finally, analyze your analytics. Regularly check YouTube analytics to see what works and what doesn't. Metrics like watch time, traffic sources, and audience retention are gold mines for refining your strategy. Apply these tips and you'll be aligning your content with the YouTube algorithm in no time. Happy creating! Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips. See you in the next video.